Viwinco's very own Luna, a golden retriever, took us on a tour of their facilities and taught us how the humans make windows.
Viwinco produces doors and windows with vinyl frames for primarily residential markets, but also in some commercial markets as well, all up and down the East Coast.
At Viwinco, we launched our core tenets for the business, and that's really to guide all of our decision-making and how we approach things throughout the day. And the three primary core tenets are employee well-being, customer focus, and daily improvement. So, we always want to make sure we're taking care of the employees, we're taking care of the customers, and then always looking at how do we do something a little bit different and better every day. One of our core tenets is employee well-being, and we just feel very strongly that in order to be a responsible business, we also want to take care of our employees just as much as we want to take care of the customers or generate a profit. And I think the employees see that, and that shows up in the longevity and some of the positive things that they say about the business.
So our testing process for designing a new window first starts with asking our customers what they want in a window. So we really need to know the sizes, the colors, the strength of the window, where it's going to be used in the country, and then that really helps us design the appropriate window. So Viwinco's safety glass benefits the user in a couple ways, one of which is preventing damage during a hurricane.
In your opinion, what's so cool about manufacturing?
I think what's so cool about it is that it's something new every day. You don't just work on the same thing. Every day it's something different, and it's always a different problem to solve.
Manufacturing, so what's so cool about manufacturing, especially here at Viwinco, is that we build some really cool products. We don't look through windows, we look at windows, and the fact that we're building those here and turning glass and vinyl into something that helps us at our houses and helps keep the houses cool and allows light to come through, it's really exciting for me.
The people, the employees, and the home aspect of the whole company as a family.
What's so cool about manufacturing is everything. Every day is a challenge and an adventure, and it's just never a dull moment.